Memoba is Vienna's oldest model train shop, in business for more than 50 years. We've been providing trains, parts, and everything else for markets and rails throughout Europe and beyond. We are already well known on the scene, in Austria and beyond. We like to offer customers a huge range of choice, so we also stock special models and niche products. Our employees know all about adapting, repairing and painting models, so we're happy to advise customers. Do stop by. It's definitely worth it. We have special offers and a second-hand shop. And we send goods by post too.